Welcome back to day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of quarantine, and if we're not napping, we are hungry. So today I'm going to make some good old fried chicken for you guys. I already cleaned my chicken and put my seasoning in, but I'll tell you guys what I used. So I have some black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, some Cox seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna give it a nice little shake. I was feeling for some buttermilk fried chicken. So usually you would have to put, like, get buttermilk and make your own, like, marinade and stuff like that and put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. But I actually found a new way. And believe it or not, pancake mix. All right, so I have my pot on the stove. The oil is heating up. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear the dryer in the background. Sorry, this guy's doing laundry, so if you hear the washer dryer going, that's what it is. Already in here, I have my flour. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more seasoning in this bad boy. So we have a chicken seasoning, some garlic powder, black pepper, and all-purpose. I'm gonna give it a nice little mix. I'm gonna take the buttermilk pancake mix, drop some of this bad boy in there, some good old government juice, and just mix it. So this is what it looks like. Not too thick. I like my pancakes a little bit thicker, but real quick before I forget, in my flour mixture, I'm just gonna add some baking powder. You can use corn flour and stuff like that, but just add a little crunch, you know, a little extra crunch flavor. Give that a good mix. I went ahead and added some paprika and some chili powder in here for some extra flavor, as well as my chicken. All right, so I have my chicken in here. And I'm gonna give it a nice mix. All in that bad boy. Wash is done. All right. I have my flour in here. Just take a piece out. Dump it in the batter. A nice light flavor, you know? And slowly into the oil. Alright, now I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to put 4 pieces in there so it gets some room to cook thoroughly. I like my chicken well done, so I'm going to make it about 15 minutes. Or when the chicken floats up is when you know that it's ready. So we're going to wait for that, and then we're going to repeat. You know what? I'm going to switch up a little bit. Add some Frank's hot sauce to this batter. Frank's can never go wrong with Frank's. It's my favorite kind of hot sauce. Give it a good mix. Now the color does change a little bit. It smells phenomenal. Oh my goodness. We're gonna let that sit there for a second while this bad boy cooks. So far so good. Look at that. Jeez. Are you crazy? Alright, just gonna turn it a little bit. I have some thighs in there, and I have some drumsticks. So I'm just gonna give it a nice, you know, turn so it cooks evenly. Alright, ladies and gents, it's about done. As you can see, it's already like floating up. What we're gonna do is let's take it out. Give it a good shake. And just put it on that.